Barred spiral galaxies. By now you should know about spiral galaxies, and this is Edwin Hubble's other galaxy category, barred spiral, which is designated with the letters SB. All in all, they are going to be very similar to regular spiral galaxies. They're still going to have a bulge. They're still going to have a disk surrounding that. They're still going to have spiral arms in the disk. And if we looked at it edge on, it would still have a halo. So all of those characteristics are the same. There's still lots of gas and dust, lots of star formation. So all of those characteristics that we saw with spiral galaxies are still going to hold true for a barred spiral galaxy. The key difference is that the central bulge has a bar shape to it instead of being round. And the spiral arms start at the edges of that bar. Our subclassifications, here we are back at Hubble's tuning fork. So he has the other branch of the tuning fork are the barred spirals, but the same sort of subcategories we saw with a regular spiral, the A, B, and C, still hold. And they are essentially the same. So SBA, large bulge. We can't go as much on the spacing of the arms because barred spirals tend to have wider spaced arms regardless. So here you look at the size of the bulge compared to the size of the disk. So here the bulge in an SBA is comparable to the size of the disk. SBB, here's our bulge, here's our disk, and so now the bulge is a little smaller. Sorry about that. The picture decided to shift on me. And then SBC's bulge, very small compared to the disk. So those are the three categories, subcategories for a barred spiral, and largely based upon the size of the bulge, rather than also looking at the spacing between the arms. But other than that, other than having this elongated bulge, it's very much the same as a regular spiral galaxy. But these are called barred spiral galaxies.